Hello guys, this is Hen here, and our Telegram channel. Of course, this video is going to our Telegram. Follow the link below. Follow the link below. Follow the link below. Follow the link below this channel. Below this video, you can join us. You can find free indicators. You can find free indicators. Free indicators. Free indicators. Also post our premium indicators. Free robots as the one that I'm about to present to you guys right now. And this is to talk about the update I promised. Okay, so we are using our FS automated robot. This is a robot to automate your indicators. So if you have any indicator you want to automate, you can bring it here and to automate it. All right, so here the good thing about this is that you can change the magic number. You can put any amount you want for the magic number. All right, and it does not allow you to use the same magic number with other pair. It's one currency pair or anything you are trading. All right, present something very fast because I have a video explaining much about this. As you can see here, this version, we have a new version right now, and I'm going to show you the latest version we have. Okay, but this is this version here. You can see 1, 2, 3. This is to sell. You can do manual sell, you can do manual buy, and all your trade manually. All right, so here I'm using buying two indicators to give me this trade based on grid. I put the name grid, no repaint, and the other indicator name, so that I can know exactly what indicator I'm using here. All right, so this week sorry guys, I'm using SNS account now because I decided to use this account for the update. Okay, and here we started with 3,000, and on 16th of October, and which is like 1 week of trading. Okay, so this is the result we got, and I can assure you guys that this is very okay. The reason why you see this 980, almost 1,000 here, and here like half of it as the profit, I will explain to you. I was making some manual trades here, putting some settings because you can buy and sell here. Okay, and I made a lot of mistakes. Then I stopped trading manual. And the good thing about this is that for me to trade manually, I have to create another gold, and using this I will trade manually. The result of manual trading, on that manual trading, the result of this one will be here. If I create 3 types of strategy with indicators, each one will have its own result. So based on this type of strategy I'm using here, this is the result you have. Okay, on that manual one that I was trying to test, put in some settings to see how it goes, I lost like 400 or 500. Okay, this guy here alone recovered all that I lost and put it in profit. Okay, so here you can see, so this is the manual. You see that this area here is the manual, see, but this green here was done by this guy. Okay, all this green here. Then this is the manual. I was messing up trying to put in some, but the one that is in greens are done by this guy here. All right, so let's keep moving. So this is the update so that you can see, okay, because promised that I'll be bringing update on this to show you how it goes. All right, gold is a little bit high because maybe I'll be thinking about changing it to a currency pair that you can be able to open more trades. All right, because this is a big profit for Forex. Okay, though let me show you something here. I'm going to show you. So you see here I can come here and protect my account. I don't want to lose more than 4% in a day. So regardless of the profit is high, it will, once it reaches minus 4%, my account reaches minus 4%, it's going to close for that day. All right, now let me show you guys the latest version that is being on still back testing, and also I'm going to talk about those using wealth indicator. This is wealth indicator, and I'm going to talk about it. So let's see, this is what is going on here on the back test. As you can see here, now we have a two object here, two option here, and I'm going to explain to you. This is to buy, this is to sell, this is to close all your trade, and this is to reverse. Let's say you are trading manually and your indicator change or your strategy change. Once you click here, it's going to obey all the rules that you put into this trade and it's going to trade. All right, so that is how it works. Now so this is the back test that is running. Okay, and also if you I cannot see the, so here I put it on. Once it this is okay, here okay, I have another indicator working with grid. This is still grid trading, but a totally different types of grid, guys. Yeah, this is amazing. All right, let me show you guys one thing here. All right, let's go to the properties. Let's watch grid here. See grid. Okay, here, okay, this is point, and also this is if you want to trade with points, ticks and pips, you can define it. So I was using points here. Okay, here you will see the type of grids you want. This is, I'm using distance here. Okay, distance on this account, grid account, but you can also choose to use grid whenever the candle closes. For example, I will show you an example. So let's say the indicator I'm using here is actually very powerful. Okay, it follows the trend. Okay, because you can see here it bought here, took profit, and it continues to buy, took profit, took profit, took profit, then it opened another one here. So this was distance. Okay, the distance I'm using, once it reached this 3,000 points, it's going to open another trade. So that's what exactly happened here. Okay, so it opened first one, because after this buy it closed in profit, then it still continues to buy. Then after 3,000 distance, trade being negative, it opened another one, and after 3,000 it opened another one here. All right, because I'm using distance. This is the option of two options you have for grid here. But if I put it to candle, just a minute guys, I just want to show you things here, because there are a lot of things that is in this robot that I might not be able to cover till the end. So here, distance. Okay, if I put it to fechamento de vela, that means this trade here, we open the first trade and we only open the second after this candle closes. So it makes it, it was not going to open this one, and the middle is going to open because only after the candle closing. Okay, so the market went up, closed all these three here, and continues to buy. Okay, so with the new update we have, I'm working with a new indicator here. Okay, so this is, you can get this inverted, that is reverse, and this was actually built okay, so this was the another type of strategy that is going on here. Now let's talk about this wealth indicator. As you can see, this is reverse. See the reverse here. This is I gave. Okay, this is the old version. Then now you have the new version. It has reverse. This inverted here means reverse. That's the reverse you are seeing here. So we are putting some of these things here over there. Okay, so this is the update I have to give you to see how it is in profit. Now for those who are using wealth indicator, okay, you can get this for free from now on. So if you haven't gotten your own, you can contact me so that you can get your own. Okay, let me make a quick and general video that I'm going to put on YouTube, okay, with using this trend indicator and using these bands as well. It is not recommended, but if you want, if you're desperate to trade, you can trade whenever it goes outside the band, okay, and you take your profit on the next day. This box is here is for the next day. You can take your profit for the next day. Now what is recommended is to trade from here to 9. So if you don't have signal here, don't trade here. This last signal have to come here. Bet gold, Nasdaq, and Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so the best option is to follow the trend. You have this guy here, come here the next day, you take profit. I don't use stop loss, okay, but with this guy here you can apply many things here. You can put the stop loss of 10% of your account or 1% and so on. There's a lot of things to explain here. I will not go through all these things now. Okay, this is a semi-automatic trading. It's like semi-automatic trading robot. So for those who purchases this wealth indicator, I'm going to give this for free. I bought this in 2009 for 300 euros, but it's going for free so that you can use it to trade with the wealth indicator. Okay, how do you trade it? Let's say that you want to go into this trade and you want to make 2,000 points. You put take profit here. If I place my mouse here to sell, you will see exactly how much you are going to make. So it's showing us that we are going to make $2,000 with 1.0 lot size. So this is very, very good, and it will show you exactly where you are selling, your selling point in the market is, and it's going to show you where the take profit is going to take place. All right. I'm not going to go deep, but for those using this guy, just contact me and you will get it. So once you purchase the premium indicator of wealth indicator, is going to help you, because what you need to do is to put the take profit if you want to put the stop loss. But like I say, I'm not using the stop loss. My stop loss, I can base it on 1% of account balance, and here you can choose if you want all the symbols to close with the 1% or 2% or 10%, or if you want it to be only on one currency pair, the current currency pair. Okay, so I can use it like that if I want. Now how to trade is to follow the trend. This trade is not valid, okay, it is not valid. You must start inside here after the 9 p.m. 21:00. You don't trade again. Okay, so this trade is supposed to be inside here, but still you saw how it went. Okay, so let's say that this day there was no trade, here also there was no trade. You have to be patient. Now if you like, you can trade once it goes above this band. You can trade, and this trade came in here as take profit, so you have to be closed immediately once it goes inside the box. Or you can also go outside the box the next day, then you have to close. Okay, so this is our perfect signal here. Okay, take a look. Close with almost 2000 pips. Okay, you can put the 2000 pips. If you take profit, that's okay. If you do not take profit, you just close your trade in the next day. Okay, then there was no signal. Here is a signal. Okay, see that it went up. So on Sunday night it might come down here. Okay, here no signal. Okay, this guy here went outside the box, so this you can also trade it as a signal. Okay, what happens here is that this was it took the take profit. Okay, spiked up. Okay, so you can trade it if you want, but the more secure trade is those with the trend. See this one here, and every time the trend changes, let me show you something here. You see the line trend, the first signal you can go for 10,000 pips, but the more secure is 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, or you close in the next day. See that? You can close here, or you can wait for 2,000, 1,000, or 2,000. All right. Here another trade here. See, you can close inside this box. Now here, okay, how do I trade here? Because this is a valid signal. Okay, it is still green here. What you do is to trade and take profit the next day. See that? It goes into the box, you close. Okay, because this guy did not hit the take profit. See? Okay, it did not reach 2,000, so once it goes inside the box, you close the trade, and so on, guys. I don't want this video to be long. See that? After this box, until 21 hour, the signal was there, no repenting, spiked up, but the arrow remains there. The next day, 200. Okay, if you want to keep it, then it's up to you. Here the next day you made more money. Okay, did not reach take profit, but at least you made more money. You close it here. All right, so that is how this wealth indicator work. I hope you guys understand everything I've said here, and if you have any question, you can contact me at hzandus. That is my Telegram name. Okay, so let's check what is going on here. See, these guys still continue to make money. I'm not going to keep you waiting to see it work. I'm just doing back tests, mini back tests, to see how my strategy is working out. So you can purchase this through me. Like I said, I'm not the owner, but I am bringing ideas for my friend to code this. Okay, so you contact me and I will give you all the supports you need in English. Okay, and if you want one of my premium indicators like the one you are seeing that is working right now, you can also talk with me for that. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy weekend to everyone.